this, guys. If we're at the fire station, we should be dressed and breathing air within 1 minute. So we have to get dressed really quick. Because if we're in our fire station and the house across the street's on fire, we don't have time to fix our hair and do silly things. We got to get dressed quickly. So our boots are in her pants. What she's going to do is she's going to pull up the pants. Just pull those off.
Oh my God.
Her pants. Suspenders on. Now she needs a coat.
Getting ready for the winter.
This is her hood. I'm not going to make her put it on because it's kind of nasty. But it just protects your neck and your ears and stuff. This is her mask. You put it on, and then you can breathe. You breathe clean air, so it protects us. We'll have her put our helmet on.
Hey, Will. Take a still photo. Turn it right the other way, Will. You can stand up.
Are there female firefighters?
Yes, in Charlotte there's about 75.
75.
Wow. The only thing else she would put on is a pair of heavy gloves, a mask and a hood, and then her air pack. And then she'd be fully protected. She could go into a burning building and do her job, and it would protect her. But what I'm saying is, it's very important to be in good shape because this stuff's hot, it's heavy, and like I said, she looks cool and stuff, but now she's got to go to work. She's got to do stuff now. She's got to climb up 10 stories. She's got to drag a 100-pound dummy out of a house. She's got to pull a fire hose and hold it and spray water. She's got to chop a roof open with an axe. Just different things that she might have to do. She might have to hold the jaws of life and cut a car open. And they weigh 90 pounds. So you got to be strong. And now at a busy fire station, I think a couple months ago on a Friday, we ran 21 calls. So can you imagine, not every call was in gear, but maybe 10 of them were. So getting dressed all day, getting undressed, getting hot. On a hot August day in the summer, you put this stuff on, you're soaking wet, you get dehydrated, you got to drink lots of water, or you're going to get sick. So you got to stay in good shape and be strong and run a lot.